Captain Winter, the Cepheus Protocol has been enacted in San Francisco. Whatever is happening there is happening fast. I need you and your squad on the ground ASAP. Your priority is to establish a base of operations. You'll have several facilities at your disposal. Each structure will be airlifted to your location and placed where you desire. Each structure has a different function, such as calling reinforcements and research. Make sure to diversify your squad as you need to combat the outbreak and study the virus. Each unit is unique and has different roles and abilities you'll want to utilize. For example, use scientists to collect samples, machine gunners to lock down an area, or your advanced cloaking field we've given you, Captain, to escape if needed. Soldiers can be assigned to an away team or defense team. It is vital to take the fight to the infected, but it's equally important to defend your base by constructing walls, turrets, and other defenses. Use the away team to explore the island and destroy pods. We know the infected are coming from these things, which are cropping all over the place. We've experienced that infected in the surrounding area will defend these pods aggressively, so make sure to use thermal imaging to find the pods and determine the whereabouts of the infected. At your call is air support such as ammunition, which can be dropped in your location in the field, or carpet bombing if you're being overwhelmed. It should be noted we've identified several new and more powerful types of infected. We theorize the virus is somehow mutating groups of infected into something new and more powerful, so be cautious when engaging them. When possible, recapture control points across the island which have already been overrun. This will make resupplying while in the field quicker. Make sure you ready yourself for any possibility. Protect your base from attack as the infected have actively been seeking out fortified positions before your arrival. We believe there is a central host that is transmitting the virus. This Patient Zero, as we have identified her, appears to be moving from block to block, attacking and infecting anyone she comes into contact with. Early attempts to capture her for study have failed, as the virus has infected her in ways we couldn't have thought possible. So your protocol is to find a way to destroy her before she's infected the entire island and the virus spreads beyond containment. The crisis on the ground is changing by the minute. I know I can count on you to bring the situation under control. General Spears, out.
Moving out. Fall in.
As you command.
I've got this under control. to act.
As you wish. Give me orders.
This isn't what I expected. What could go wrong? Is there something I can do for you? Curiouser and curiouser. This should be exciting.
Ready to go.
Moving out. It will be done. I'm at your command. It will be done. It will be done. I'm ready. I'm ready. Awaiting orders.
On station.
Moving out. Awaiting orders. I've got this under control. Fall in. I've got this under control. It's time to act. I'm at your command. What are your orders? It will be done. It will be done. Moving out. Awaiting orders. I've got this under control. I'm ready. I've got this under control. Moving out. It's time to act. Something is moving over there. Enemy sighted. I've got this under control. I'm ready.
Hostile spotted!
Fall in.
Hostile spotted.
Something is moving. I'll handle it. As you command. As you wish. On the go.
I think I see something.
What are your orders? Awaiting orders. I'm at your
Hostile
command.
spotted.
It will be done.
Carpet bomb on this target.
Fall in! I'm at
I
your
see
command.
something.
This is so wrong.
Moving there. I'll handle it. On station.
Moving out. Awaiting orders. I've got this under control. Moving out. What are your orders? Fall in. It will be done. It's time to act. I've got this under control. Awaiting orders. It will be done. What are your orders?
As you wish. Deploying sandbags. At your command. Setting up sandbags. I've got your 6. This should slow them down. I have a bad feeling about this. This should slow them down.
I'm at your command. Moving out.
I think I'm ready for this.
Give me orders.
I'll handle it. I have a bad feeling about this. On the go.
I'm ready. Fall in!
Moving out. Give me orders. Give me orders.